I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 2. And our prompts for this week is a photograph, and I've got this Tim Holtz photograph, a clipping of a headline in a serif font, and I've got this Let Me Call You Sweetheart. My assistant is here. A gift tag, I've got this. Something kind of spooky, I've got this. Something found in the library, I've got the window. And the bonus is a flower, and I've got this. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, my boo-boo wants to help. He's a sweetie. Let's see how we're going to lay this out. I'm thinking of using this kind of as a tab. And I'll be back. Okay, we'll see how long that lasts. All right, I think I'm going to use this kind of like a tab. So I'm thinking about kind of putting it along something like that. And since the top of my window's cut off, I'm going to just scoot that up. I've already inked everything. Well, I think I want the window on top. I'm going to go ahead and get this down. Well, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP2. All right. Yep, my husband's been off this week, so I'm a little bit behind on everything. I'm not blaming him, it's me. I get very lazy when he's home. When I'm by myself, I just kind of go to it. But we binge watched Reacher, and that was very, very, very good. We are now watching Blue Ridge. I like it. It's no Reacher, but it's good. And let's see. I finished reading Tea and Alchemy. That one was really good. It was good enough to where I got Grim Curiosities, which is another book by Sharon Lynn Fisher. So I'm reading that now. And so far, so good. So I think I'm going to put that there, and maybe that down there. Okay, so let me get this down. Then my boo-boo wants to help. Now, it is him, his brother, and his mother. And I've always been proud that my boy cats have gotten along so well. I mean, they're brothers, you know. Excuse me. And, but now they've taken to fight, and so we have to keep them separated, and that just breaks my heart. I know that's what boy cats do, but we've had them for years, and it just, for them to just start up now, acting that way. Okay, I think I want to go up, and I will put flower down here. And my headline. Right there. Okay, see if there's anything I want to add. Let's see. I've got a little bit of blue there, so I could bring some blue down here. Maybe. And let's see what we've got. Both my sons for Christmas gave me a gift card to Hobby Lobby. And I got some more Tim Holtz ephemera. think these can also be part of numbers or in a library. Let's see. Just want to zhuzh it up a little bit. Let's see here. Mm-hmm. And let's see. I still think I need something right there. Oh, I like that. Let me scoot this on over. All right. I don't think I need to ink everything, but I would like to ink that. And I would like to ink this. And perhaps this. And up here, we can add this ruler to the top. I'm sure that would be found in a library. In fact, ours used to have a piece of a ruler that you'd had the keys to the bathroom attached to because they wouldn't leave the bathroom unlocked. You had to ask for a key. Okay. I just want to bring the blue from up there. Although it is a different color blue. And I think got that. All right. I'm happy with that. And I will add some black splatters, but I think I'm just gonna see if I can do this. I don't know how well it'll work, but I have got my distress ink and I'm just gonna put it down there, spray it with water and see how that goes instead of pulling out my I like it. It's not my typical gold, but I think it'll work. Alrighty. So there we go. Should have had some paper ready to get that instead of just on the paper towel. So let's see here. We have got our photograph, clipping of a headline in a serif font, a gift tag, something kind of spooky, something found in the library. We've got a couple of things there, and a flower. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.